Hey, anyone home? Miss Jones. Hi, it's Joy.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Oh, so long time I've seen you. You look good today.
Thank you.
Okay, well, where is your daughter?
Oh, she went to the store.
Oh, Maria went to the store?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, we're gonna do this together today. How is that?
Sounds great.
Okay. Is it okay if I keep my bag here?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay. All right. Yes, this is just gonna be 1 second. So, how have you been?
Life is going good. Been there.
Okay.
Been there.
Okay. Any chest pain?
Not recently.
No chest pain. Okay. All right. All right. Let me keep this back. It's just gonna be 1 second. And we're gonna do our stuff the way we usually do it.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Okay. Let's see here. All right. So did your family come for Thanksgiving, 4th of July? Did they come visit?
Yeah, they came visiting. I saw my grandkids. This is all nice.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Okay. We're almost there. Let me just put this thing up that we're gonna use.
Okay.
So, did you see your primary doctor anytime soon?
My daughter told me that I have an appointment with him, so I think soon. I'm gonna see him soon.
Okay. All right, that's good. Let's see. Looks like we're almost there. I'm gonna go back into this back when I'm done. So I just wanna be sure I got everything that I need. Okay, okay. All right. So, do you know if your medicine is anywhere where I can find when we look for it?
Oh, right there. My daughter kept it right there.
Oh,
Right there.
good. This
Yeah.
is all put up. I like that.
Yeah.
Oh, she's doing what we talked about last visit. Awesome.
Yeah, she's doing great.
All right, good. So, let me clean my hands a little bit. And let me see if I have my pen. Okay. All right, now. All right. Let me do that again. Okay, I'm gonna take your temperature, okay?
Okay.
Your daughter, nobody, I know I call your daughter on the phone, no COVID, nobody's sick in the house.
No, nobody's sick.
Okay. Great, your temperature is 97.2.
Oh, that's good.
That's awesome. All right. I'm gonna have to get that done. Let's see. Okay. And I'm gonna do your blood pressure now. All right.
Do you want me to take this off?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Okay. Which hand do you want me to use? This one
You
is
can
okay?
go with my right. Yeah.
Alright. Okay, let's do this. If you don't mind if I put this down here. Well, let's do this. Awesome. Okie dokie, you have your feet down. Awesome. Okay. What happened there? (108/75) and your heart rate is 71. Awesome. That is so great.
Thank you.
Okay, I will go ahead and leave this here. 107/75. Can I listen to your lungs, please? Sure. Okay, just breathe normal. You don't have to take in and out yet. Breathe normal for me. Okay. All right. Very good. Okay, I'm gonna listen to the dummy. Good. Good bowel sound. All right. Did you have any bowel movement
Just a little. Just a little.
today? Did you move your bowels? Number 2?
I think just yesterday. Just
Yesterday.
really
Okay, good.
Yeah.
All right. Can you say that for me, please? All right. Then take a deep breath in and out. Out. In and out. Out. Good. Again. Very good. More. Okay. All right. Very good. The lungs are pretty clear today. That's awesome. All right. I have to write that down. (108/75). 71. All right. I'm gonna check your body just a little bit to see if you have any sore. Do you have any pain anywhere?
Just a little on my back.
Your back?
Yeah.
Does the medicine help when you take?
Not really, but
You're okay?
yeah.
So it's not so bad.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's not so bad.
So in the scale of 1 to 10, 1 is no pain, 10 is the worst pain you could have. Where is it?
I would say around 5.
And 5. So 5 is okay for you?
Yeah, 5.
Okay. All right. Let me just get down and check your body a little bit. Okay. Do you have pain when I do that?
No.
Okay. That's good. All right. Okay. Squeeze my hands. All right. That's awesome. All right. I'm going to take your shoes off if you
Okay.
don't mind. Okay. Just want to be sure I listen to your, feel your pulse, okay? Good temperature. That's awesome. All right. I'll put it back.
It's fine, my daughter will do it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
All right. Well, maybe you can even do it too. Looks like you're doing really good today. Okay. All right. Looks good. Is there anything new that you would like to let me know today?
No, actually, I think I'm good.
Okay. All right. gonna go ahead and clean my equipment really quickly. Then we'll talk about your medicine.
Okay.
How are you eating? Did you eat breakfast today?
Yes, I did.
Oh,
My
was
daughter
good?
fed me. Yeah, it was
Okay.
good.
Okay. No problem swallowing?
No,
Okay.
no,
Okay, very good. And you said no chest pain.
no, not just that.
All right. That's good. And I see your leg is not swollen like last week, so that's good. It means that the medicine is helping.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Feel a lot better.
All right. So, we're gonna write down this equipment. Awesome. So, now we're gonna check your medicine, okay?
Okay.
Any new medicine since I came last?
No,
All
I
right.
don't think so.
All right. Do you mind if I sit with you?
Yeah.
Okay, can you move your blanket a little bit? Okay, thank you. Good. So, you still take your vitamin, huh?
Yes.
How many tablets do you take on this one?
2.
You take 2 tablets. One
Yes.
time a day?
Yes.
Okay, great. Hold on. Let me go ahead and compare with what I have here. All right. Okay, 2 tablets a day. All right. Looks like this one. Do you know what this one is?
Yes, that's the vitamin.
Okay. How many tablets you take?
I think 1.
1 a day?
Yeah.
Good. All right. This one is the medicine that the doctor ordered for you. Do you know how many tablets a day do you take this one?
Once a
1
day.
tablet a day.
Yeah.
Good. All right. This is another one. Okay. So it looks like this one is as needed.
Yeah.
Did you take this one at all?
Yes, my daughter gave me that one.
Okay, give you one. Okay,
Yeah.
this can be taken up to 3 times a day.
Yes.
All right. This one here, it said 1 tablet 2 times. This is your potassium. You take this one.
Yes.
Okay. All right. You know your medicine. This is pretty good. Okay. There is another medicine that the pharmacy brought in a little brown bag. Probably your daughter would know that.
Yeah, she would know that. Maybe she went to actually get it, or she has it somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you so much. It looks like I see all the medicine that you are taking. I really appreciate it. I will take this one out. All right. So, do you have any questions for me today?
No,
Okay.
I'm good. Thank
Okay.
you.
I just wanted to let you know that we have inspectors coming, the Joint Commission.
Okay.
They might come to see you. When they come to see you, it's not about you. They're coming to see how we, the hospice, are taking care of you. So they might ask you some questions. They might ask your daughter questions. Just answer them. I just want to know that is what we do. Another thing that they will ask might be, if there was to be fire or emergency, do you know what you would do? Definitely you take your medicine. Well, of course, your daughter, she's not here today. You take your medicine, go. If they said leave, you go. You call us to let us know. where you went, okay? And remember, you call us 24/7. Anytime you have any problem, you give us a call. A nurse will be on the phone. We will guide you on what to do.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thank you for having me come. I really appreciate that. I would have loved to, hey, let's do elbow here to shake your hand, but not today. All right. Thank you for your time. I'm going to pack up. I will write down my findings on that blue book there.
Okay.
So, thank you.
Thank you for coming.
All right. I'm going to clean up now so we can throw the trash out. Okay. Please tell your daughter to call me if she has any questions when she comes home, okay?
Okay, I'll let you know.
All right. I'll also call her to be sure I came in, let her know I was here, I saw you, and that you're doing very well, okay?
Okay.
All right. Is it okay if I put this in the trash there?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
fine.
All right. Thank you. Bye.